as you guys know, my hair has been so dry, frizzy, dull, and ugh. So I just wanted to quickly share with you guys how I actually tame them. I use this Moroccan oil that is from Wow Skin Science. Now I'm super blessed that these guys have sent me these bottles, and I've already used one, like half of it, and the other one I'm gonna just like share it with you guys right now. As you can see, even the packaging, this one is completely tore down and this one is new. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it in front of you guys and show you the texture and everything about it. As you can see in the packaging, it's written that it is non-sticky oil, which it is. It is not at all sticky, it's not heavy, it's rather very light and also has a really good fragrance to it. It helps revive thin, dull and unmanageable hair, which all three of them are my hair. So yes, that's why it has helped me a lot to manage my hair, especially because I work from 9 to 9 and I just cannot take care of my hair. So this has helped me a lot with that. Now, this has no mineral, no silicone oils, and it is also dermatologically tested. That means it is hypoallergic. Now, also you can scan the QR code which is present on the bottle as well as inside, like on the carton as well as inside the bottle, to check the authenticity of the product. It is like 100% authentic. You can also get them on offline as well on various stores. Wow Skin Science products are also available offline. So now I'm just gonna unpack the bottle for you guys and show you what it looks like. So this is what the bottle looks like. It is 100 ml for 359 only, which I think is pretty good price for Moroccan hair oil, considering that the other brands sell it for like 1000, 2000, and I used to own this Moroccan hair oil which was worth 3000. Both of them does the same job, to be very honest. I'm very happy with the pricing as well as the quality of the product and the quality that it has given my hair as well. So talking about the texture, this is what it looks like. This is the texture of the hair oil. As you can see, it is like does not even look like an oil to me. It is non-sticky. Like, do you see that? It's completely non-sticky. So I'm just gonna apply it to my hair and show you the before and after result in a bit. So as you guys can see, I have not even combed my hair, and look at this, like how tamed my hair is. Look at the shine. Do you see that? That shine is because of this hair oil. So yes, this was my secret that I do in order to manage my dull and thin unmanageable hair. So if you guys want, you can also order your product online, or you can get it from offline store as well, whatever you like. So this is what I do whenever I want to manage my dull and brittle hair, so that I wake up with good shiny hair in the morning before I shampoo, of course. Now this is non-sticky, but you need to shampoo it off in order to get out the this little bit of stickiness that is there, although there's not much. So you can just go around like that as well, but if you want like super fresh hair, then you need to shampoo it. So yeah, that was it. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you would like to see more such videos. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.